Welcome all to the e-learning class. Myself, Dr. R.N. Lenka, dealing with the paper C9, that is Assessment for Learning, and this is for B.Ed second year trainees. And today's topic is टीचर मेड टेस्ट और शिक्षक प्रस्तुत परीक्षण या शिक्षक बना परीक्षण. Generally, we know that teachers use a variety of test items for testing the learners or assessing the achievement of the learners. These tests are broadly categorized into two types. One is standardized test, the other is teacher made test. स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड टेस्ट को हम मानकीकृत परीक्षण कहते हैं और टीचर मेड टेस्ट को हम शिक्षक प्रस्तुत परीक्षण या शिक्षक बना परीक्षण भी कहते हैं. लेट्स डिस्कस टुडे द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड मीनिंग of a teacher-made test. Generally, in the field of education and learning, tests are used for evaluating the learning outcomes, either by using the standardized tests or teacher-made tests. शिक्षक प्रस्तुत परीक्षण या शिक्षक बना परीक्षण और मानकीकृत परीक्षण, ऐसे दो प्रकार के परीक्षण को व्यवहार करते हुए शिक्षक छात्र छात्राओं के उपलब्धि को असेस करते हैं या टेस्ट करते हैं या मूल्यांकन करते हैं. जनरली केयरफुली कंस्ट्रक्टेड टेस्ट्स आर द स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड टेस्ट्स and the tests made by teachers are called teacher made tests. Both the tests are constructed on the basis of a carefully planned table of specification or blueprint. Generally, जब टीचर मेड टेस्ट हो या स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड टेस्ट हो, दोनों को प्रस्तुत करने के समय टीचर को ब्लूप्रिंट फॉलो करना पड़ता है. Still, both the tests, standardized test and the teacher made test, differ from each other with regard to the quality of test items, the reliability of test measures, the procedure for administration of the test, scoring of the test and interpretation of the test scores. No doubt, standardized tests are good and better in quality. They are more reliable, they are more valid in comparison to teacher made tests. But more frequently and easily used test items are the teacher made test items because it is very easy to prepare, easy to administer, easy to scoring and ease of everything, as teachers are capable of preparing the tests easily. Generally in a classroom, the classroom teacher cannot depend upon the standardized tests always. Rather, he or she has to prepare the tests according to the local needs, according to the needs and requirements of the learners, particularly based on the learning objectives. In order to fulfill these immediate requirements, the teacher has to prepare his own test, and they are usually the objective type of test based on the objectives of teaching learning process. And such tests are called teacher made test. Next is the concept or meaning. What is a teacher made test? Taylor has highlighted the use of a teacher made test, objective type of test, which do not require all the 4 steps of standardization, neither nor the rigorous process of standardization. Only the first 2 steps, that is planning and preparation, are sufficient for construction of a teacher made test. Planning और preparation, that is योजना और प्रस्तुति, ये दोनों स्टेप को ही फॉलो किया जाता है. स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन के लिए कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है टीचर मेड टेस्ट. Teacher-made tests are normally prepared and administered for testing the classroom achievement of the students, evaluating the method of teaching adopted by the teachers, and other curricular programs of the school. Thus, it is one of the most valuable instruments in the hands of the teacher to solve this purpose. And the test is designed to solve the problems or the requirements of the class and to measure the instructional outcomes or the content of local curriculum. In this sense, teacher-made tests are very much flexible and doesn't require any sophisticated techniques of standardization. What are the salient features of teacher-made test? शिक्षक प्रस्तुत परीक्षण या शिक्षक बना परीक्षण के प्रमुख विशेषताएं क्या क्या है, वन बाय वन डिस्कशन करते हैं. In teacher-made test, the test items are arranged in order of difficulty, or the test is made by the teachers. These tests are prepared by the teachers, which can be used for prognosis as well as diagnosis purposes. The test covers the whole content area and it includes large number of items in the hands of the teachers. No need of standardization. The preparation of the test items conforms to the blueprint or the table of specification. Test construction is generally done by the concerned teacher or classroom teacher. Test does not cover all the steps of standardization, rather only 2 steps, that is planning and preparation, are required. It may also be employed as a tool for formative evaluation, teacher-made test. Preparation and administration of these tests are quite economical and feasible. The test is developed by the teacher to ascertain the student's achievement or the proficiency in a given subject. The teacher-made tests are at least used in research purposes because research needs standardized tests. Teacher-made tests do not have norms, whereas providing norm is quite essential in case of standardized tests. Then what are the steps or the principles of construction of teacher-made test? Generally, test construction and standardization requires 4 important steps, out of which 2 important steps are found in teacher-made test. A teacher-made test does not require a well-planned preparation and administration. It is quite normal in nature, quite informal in nature, unlike that of the standardized tests. Following steps may be followed for preparation of the teacher-made test. Number 1 is planning. While planning the teacher-made test, the planning process includes determining the purpose or objectives of the test, deciding the length of the test and portion of the syllabus to be covered in the test, specifying the objectives in their behavioral terms, then deciding the number and forms of questions or items. What are the items to be used? Having a clear knowledge and understanding of the principles of constructing different types of tests, that is essay type test, short answer type test, objective type test questions. Deciding date of testing in much advance. Then administration of the test, even the scoring of the test. Seeking the cooperation and suggestion of the co-teachers, experienced teachers and other experts also. Second step is the preparation of the test. Preparation of the test includes following principles. Planning is the philosophical aspect, whereas preparation is the practical aspect of test construction. All the practical aspects are to be taken into consideration while constructing the teacher-made test. Test construction is an art, it is a technique. In the process of test construction, it requires much thinking, rethinking, reading and reflecting before constructing the items. Generally, different types of objective type tests like multiple choice, short answer type, matching type can be constructed, and after construction the test items should be given to others for review and seeking their opinions as well. The suggestions may be sought even from others regarding language, modalities of the items, statements given, correct answers. The suggestions and views also sought that will help the test construction to modify, to verify the items. After construction of the test items, they should be arranged in a simple to complex order. And for arranging the items, a teacher can adopt so many methods like group-wise, unit-wise, topic-wise. These are the principles followed in preparation of the teacher-made test. Scoring key should be also prepared forthwith to avoid further delay in scoring. And direction is an important aspect of test construction. Without proper direction or instruction to the participants or respondents, there will be probably losing the authenticity of the test reliability. Hence, thus direction should be simple or instruction should be simple, adequate to the students. And the directions with regard to time for completion of the test, कितना समय लगेगा, marks allotted to each item, mark distribution, required number of items to be attempted, कितने क्वेश्चन का या कितने प्रश्न का उत्तर देना है, how and where to record the answer, how to write, कैसे लिखना है, कितने शब्द में लिखना है, materials like graph papers or logarithmic tables are to be used, they are to be provided also. Required material कुछ चाहिए तो वो भी देना चाहिए परीक्षार्थियों को. नेक्स्ट इज द यूजेस ऑफ टीचर मेड टेस्ट. टीचर मेड टेस्ट का क्या यूज है? टीचर मेड टेस्ट्स आर जनरली यूज्ड टू हेल्प ए टीचर टू नो वेदर द क्लास इज नॉर्मल, एवरेज, above average or below average. To assess the class it is used. Such tests help the teachers in formulating new strategies of teaching and learning. Skillfully or appropriately prepared teacher-made tests also serve the purpose of standardized tests. Teacher-made tests can help a teacher to render guidance and counseling to students. It may be used as a full-fledged achievement test covering the subject matter or the contents. It is also used to measure students' achievement or academic achievement in a given course. It is helpful to assess how far specified instructional objectives have been achieved. It helps to know the efficacy of learning experiences, diagnose the students' learning difficulties, and suggest remedial measures. It is also used to classify or grade the students on the basis of their classroom performance. Good teacher-made tests can be exchanged among the neighboring schools, and these tests can be used as a tool for formative, diagnostic and as well as summative evaluation. And more is formative and diagnostic, less is for summative, because summative evaluation requires standardized tests. Then the limitations of the teacher-made test या शिक्षक प्रस्तुत परीक्षण में की सीमाएं क्या है? Limitations. Difficulty of preparation. It is very difficult to prepare because teachers must be expert and they have expertise to prepare the test. Needs strong willpower and patience of the teacher. Difficulty in item development because teacher has to develop the items himself or herself. Apathy of teachers. Generally teachers are not interested for preparing the tests as it is a cumbersome work or it is a hazardous task. Faulty methods of administration because of ignorance or less knowledge. Teachers go for faulty or defective administration of the test items. Lack of training on the part of the teachers. Lack of expertise on the part of the teachers. There is a need of cost administration and scoring also. Problem of identifying the difficulties in the process. Then difficulty of proper remediation. No tryout and standardization is found in the teacher-made test. These are the limitations of teacher made test. Let's summarize today's discussion और today's reflection on teacher made test. आज हम क्या क्या किसके ऊपर चर्चा किए? नंबर 1, कॉन्सेप्ट एंड मीनिंग या शिक्षक प्रस्तुत परीक्षण या शिक्षक बना परीक्षण के अर्थ अवधारणा, फीचर्स और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स विशेषता, स्टेप्स एंड प्रिंसिपल्स सोपान और सिद्धांत, यूजेस एंड एडवांटेजेस ऑफ टीचर मेड टेस्ट एंड ऑल्सो लिमिटेशंस और सीमाएं. Generally, teacher made tests are the most effective tool in the hands of the teachers for assessing the achievement of the learners inside the classroom, and hence it is called the classroom test also. And I think all these points will help you at least to have a thorough understanding of what is called teacher made test. Thanks.